Hey neighbor, is your car warning you about something weird? Is your engine warning you? You might be getting a P0300 code, which means your car's computer is detecting a random or multiple cylinder misfire. This can be caused by issues with your ignition system, fuel system, intake system, or even mechanical problems with your engine. Let me show you how AutoNest can help you diagnose the issue. I connected AutoNest to my car and it detected the P0300